Let's see some questions on rounding off. Here we have to round off these numbers to nearest 10, these to nearest 100. So when we are rounding off to nearest 10, 10's place is 3, the next number is 9. So if you want, we can write here the first group is 10 to 4 and the next group is 5 to 9. So here plus 1, here no change. So 9 is in the second group, so we have to add here 1. So 3 plus 1 4 and this will be 0. 5 10's place, this is 5 which is in the second group again. So 5 plus 1 6 and this will become 0. 10's place is this, the next digit 8, 8 is in the second group again. So 4 plus 1 5 0. Then this is 10's place, this digit is in the first group, so there is no change here. 6 will remain 6 and this will become 0. Next 100's place. 100's place is this, the next digit is 7. 7 is in second group, so 8 plus 1 900. Then 100's place 1, the next digit is 0 which is in the first group, so there is no change and the rest of the digits will become 0. Then 100's place is this, the next digit is 1, 1 is in the first group, so there is no change, so 2 will remain 2 and the next digits become 0. Next number 394, 3, that is the 100's place. Next digit is 9, 9 is in the second group, so 1 will be added here to 100's place. 3 plus 1 4 0 0. The next we have this is nearest 10, nearest 100, and the next we have nearest 1000, and the numbers we have so 1000's place is this, the next digit is 7 which is in the second group, so 1 will be added here. 9 plus 1 10 and these digits will become 0. Next 7 6 to 5, this is the 1000's place, this is in the second group, so 7 plus 1 will be done and these digits will become 0. 3000, 1000's place is this, next digit is 1 which is in the first group, so 3 will remain 3, won't have any change in that. Next 1 and the next digit is 4, 4 is again in the first group, so no change, 1 will remain 1 and the rest of the digits become 0. So that is nearest 1000. Next one is nearest it is nearest 10,000. And the numbers we have 77,723. This is 6,81,795. 8,61,392 and 20,251. We have to round off to nearest 10,000. So 10,000 is this. Next digit is this. So that is in the second group, so 1 will be added here. So this will become 7 plus 1 8. The rest of the digits will become 0. Then we have 10,000 is this, next digit is this. 1 is in the first group, so 6 8. There is no change in this and these digits will become 0. Then 10,000's place is this, next digit is this, that is 1000's place, that is in first group, so 6 में कोई change नहीं होगा, so it will become 8 6 0 0 0 0. Then here this is the 10,000's place, next digit that is 1000's place, 0 is in the first group, so there is no change in this, so 2 will remain 2 and the rest of the digits will become 0. Next we have to round off to nearest 1 lakh. nearest lakh. And the numbers we have, so these are the numbers we have to round off to nearest lakh. So I'll just mark the lakhs place and the next digit, that is 10,000s place. This is the lakhs place, this is the 10,000s place, this is the lakhs place, this is the 10,000s place, this is the lakhs place, and this is the 10,000s place. So you will be able to understand clearly. Now this is the lakhs place, this is the 10,000s place. 10,000s place is in the second group, so we'll add here 1. So 4, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Yes, sir, digits 0, 0. Then 6 is in the lakhs place. Next digit is 2. So 2 is in the first group. So we will be having 6 as it is, no change here. And the rest of the digits will be written as it is. 54. 4 is at the lakhs place. So 10,000 place is 3, which is in the first group. So 54. No change here because this is in the first group. And the rest of the digits will become 0. Next, 3 is in the lakh place. This is 10,000s place, which is in the first group. So no change in 3, and the rest of the digits will become 0. Estimating the sum. So this is a 5-digit number, this is a 4-digit number. So as we have seen, the digits, if the number of digits are different, we take the smaller one and the highest place value of that number. So smaller is this, highest place value of this is 1000. So we have to round off both the numbers to thousands place. So this will be rounded off to 1000. So it will be, now thousands place we are rounding off. Thousands place is this, next digit is this, which is in the first group. If you want, write the groups here. So this is in the first group, so it will have no change in this digit. And the other number is 5,524. This will be rounded off to 1000. Thousands places this, and this is the next digit, which is in the second group. So 1 has to be added at this place. So this will be 5 plus 1 6, and these will become 0. Addition we have to do. So 34 plus 6 is 40,000. We have to see this, compare this with the actual sum. So this is the number, actual sum. $39,777, and the approximate is 40,000. So it is close to the actual sum. Next one, this is, both the numbers are 4-digit number. So in that case, we round off to the highest place value of both. So this will be rounded off to 1000. So thousands place is this, and this is the next digit, which is in the second group. So 1 will be added here, 2 plus 1 3, it will become 3000, and this is 3256 rounded off 2000 because both are same digits. So this is the number 2 is in the first group, so there will be no change here. It will become 3000 and then so it is 6000. Now the actual addition we can see 2507 plus 3256. 5763 and this is 6000, which is close, somewhere 250 is the difference, 240. Next, this is 5 digit and 4 digit number, so this is for practice. You have to do similar way we have done here. Then this one, this is a 4 digit, this is a 5 digit, so smaller number is this, iski highest place value is 1000, so we will round off both the number to 1000 please. So 8650 will be rounded off to 1000 place. So it will become, now this is 1000 and this digit we have to see which is in the second group, so 1 has to be added at 1000's place. 8 plus 1 9000 and this one, sorry, this number 26181 will be rounded off to 1000. Thousands digit is this and this is the hundreds place digit which is in the first group, so there is no change here, it will become 26,000. Now if you add, it will be 35,000. Actual value find करना है 8650 plus 26,181. So here 34,831 and here we have 35,000, somewhere difference of 170. So like this you have to do, and these two are also for practice.